Sarah with WTI. And yes, I woke up like this. Oh, my bedhead is uncontrollable. But now I finally found a way to tame it with Bedhead After Party Smoothing Cream. I just squirt a little bit into my hands and then comb that through my hair with my fingers. And you can already see how it starts to tame down a bit and makes it super easy to brush through. I feel like it totally takes away the appearance of my frizz. And oh my gosh, on those staticky electricity days where your flyaways are crazy, I just use a little bit of this and it completely tames down your hair like a gel almost, but without giving it a gel appearance. It just looks like it's naturally the way you want it to look. It really lives up to its name, the after party, because I can be dancing, I can be moving, I can be running around all day and my hair will look like a mess after it. But after the party, you got to tame it down with this styling cream and it literally takes seconds to have a new, fresh do. What I love so much about this bottle design is if you feel like you're not getting enough product, it's like a push pop. You push the product all the way up to the top and boom, you are set. I use this all of the time. I keep this thing on me in my purse just in case I see myself in the mirror and realize I need a touch up. I absolutely love it. And well, that's my point of view.